Hello everyone. My name is Madison Kleckler. I am a prenatal and postpartum fitness coach. I take a special interest in core and pelvic floor health, and I'm also a birth doula. And today I want to bring to you 3 exercises that can help relieve sciatic pain in pregnancy. Now, sciatic pain can be more accurately described as a big old pain in the butt. It can be a pain that just radiates through your butt or that radiates down your entire back of the leg. It can be particularly bothersome in pregnancy. And you know what? All that comes up when you Google search it are stretches. And while stretches are fantastic, I also find that with my pregnant clients, they don't get the lasting relief that they're after until they start adding mobility exercises and also strength exercises. So I'm going to show you 3 exercises today: a stretch, a mobility, and a strength exercise to help you get on your path to relieving sciatic pain. So an exercise that commonly comes up in your Google search is something called a figure 4 stretch. So it's lying on your back and you're supposed to put your knee in a figure 4 and then pull it towards you. Well, in pregnancy, that doesn't feel too great, does it? So I have changed this exercise so that it feels much better on a pregnant body. So what you're gonna need to do is find a seat or a couch or a chair, something of the sort. It doesn't have to be a bench like mine. And then you're gonna sit back on it. So just like that figure 4 stretch lying, we're just gonna take it seated and get a little extra stretch with a bend forward if that feels comfortable to you. So I want you to take one leg, cross it over the other in a figure 4, gently track your knee down towards the ground. You should feel a good stretch here in the inner thigh, starting to get into that glute. And then you can assist it with a gentle hand push if that feels okay. Now, if here is all you need to go, then that is okay. But if you're not feeling it in the glute, here's the tricky trick. Take a lean forward, as much as your belly will allow, and then hold for about 30 seconds per side. Now, your second exercise, your mobility portion, is one of my absolute favorite mobility exercises. I use this a lot when my clients are experiencing pelvic pain, SI joint pain, or sciatic pain as well. So you're gonna start on your knees, and then you're gonna take one leg out straight to the side. Now you can have your foot down, you can have the pad of your foot down, or you can have it lifted. That doesn't really matter. Back foot, you can have it tucked under, or you can have it relaxed. Whatever feels most comfortable to you. So I want you to take your hands, place them on the floor, and then you're just gonna rock back and forth, back and forth, getting more mobility into the pelvis. So mobility is an important player because your body changes so much during pregnancy and maybe it loses a little bit of that mobility. So I want you to try 15 to 20 rocks per set. Now your third and final exercise, the strength portion, you're gonna need a mini band for this. If you don't have a mini band, or if you have a longer band, you can tie that longer band around your legs, or you don't have to use the mini band at all. Totally fine, you will still get work. So you're gonna take this mini band and you're gonna loop it around your feet, coming into all fours position. So you wanna place a little tension against that band, meaning you just wanna have your feet about hip width apart and not tracking here. So 2 variations of this exercise. One, you can simply take one foot, tap it back, and then move it forward. So strengthening that big glute muscle, as well as some of those hip stabilizers. So if this feels okay, if you're not getting any pain here and you're ready to move up a little, you can tap it back, then move out to the side, and then back to the center. And there you have it, friends, my 3 exercises to help you start to relieve sciatica in pregnancy right now. So remember that it's not just about stretching, but it's about mobilizing and strengthening the glutes, surrounding muscles, and really the whole body. You looking for more? Click subscribe. Thank you for watching.